हेलो एवरीवन। आज हम सेलिनिटी ऑफ ओशियन वाटर के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। द मोस्ट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक एट्रीब्यूट ऑफ द सी वाटर इज़ द सॉल्टीनेस। ये सी वाटर क्या रहता है? ये सॉल्टीनेस रहता है। मतलब इसका पानी सॉल्टी जैसा लगता है। एंड अबाउट 73 एलिमेंट्स आर नोन टू बी प्रेजेंट इन द सी वाटर। 73 एलिमेंट्स रहते वो प्रेजेंट रहते हैं सी वाटर में, बट ओनली सिक्स ऑफ दिस मेकअप ऑफ द chemical compound known as the major constituent. Other are the present in the very few amount, most of them in the very small quantity. The total amount of solid material in the gram contained in 1 kilogram of sea water. जो इसका टोटल अमाउंट ऑफ सॉलिड मटेरियल होता है वो एक ही किलो ऑफ द सी वाटर में मतलब रहता है. देन all the carbonate has been the convert to the oxide, and the bromine and iodine replaced by the chlorine, and all the organic matter completely oxidized. और salinity is expressed in the symbol. ये सिंबल में एक्सप्रेस करता है. एंड द कैलकुलेट बाय द टाइट्रेशन ग्रेड सी वाटर विद द सिल्वर नाइट्रेट सोल्यूशन. 1000 part by the weight of the sea water contain about 35 parts by the weight dissolve in salt. 35 parts में मतलब ये डिज़ोल्व करता है. देन उसके बाद precipitated the halide mainly chloride with the trace of the bromide, and their total weight in the gram per of sea water is the term the chlorinate. The salinity can then be determined from the empirical relationship known as the कंडेंसेंस फार्मूला. salinity का ये फार्मूला है. salinity and osmoregulation. A close osmotic balance exists between the seawater and the body fluid of the marine invertebrate. The method of the osmoregulation includes the external protection from the surrounding water protection at the cell membrane. ये osmoregulation include करता है protection from the surrounding water protection at the cell membrane. Salinity tolerance and distribution of organism. The salinity of the sea water varies from place to place, especially in the coastal area. All the available ecological niches of the oceans are occupied by the organism. Even under the extreme fluctuations in the salinity, two broad category namely एक स्टेनोहालाइन है और दूसरा यूरोहालाइन है. दो मतलब उसमें फॉर्म होता है. देन उसके बाद अभी हम स्टेनोहालाइन फॉर्म के बारे में द ऑर्गेनिज्म दैट कैन यू tolerate only very narrow range of the salinity and term the स्टेनोहालाइन. ये नैरो रेंज ऑफ द salinity में ओनली टॉलरेट होता है. देन उसके बाद मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टेनोहालाइन फॉर्म आर द आइसोटोनिक विद द सी वाटर एंड दे नो develop any means of the osmoregulation. Hence, they are the unable to live in the fluctuating salinities prevailing in the coastal and the estuarine water. Their body fluid would get diluted to such as the degree and that their enzyme system, which metabolic process would break down and planktons of the open oceans is composed of the stenohaline species. ये यूरियालाइन और फॉर्म animals are those having the ability to tolerate a wide range Wide range of salinity. स्टेनोहालाइन नैरो रेंज में सैलिनिटी को टॉलरेट करता है एंड यूरोहालाइन ये वाइड रेंज ऑफ सैलिनिटी में टॉलरेट करता है. देन उसके बाद मोस्ट ऑफ दिस हैबिटेंट ऑफ द कोस्टल वाटर and estuaries thought they have a much wider distribution. Most of the urohaline organisms of the marine environment are the animals. Some neritic diatoms and estuarine algae can also withstand considerable salinity changes. Urohaline form the ability to regulate the body volume. ये यूरोलाइन मतलब इसके अंदर एबिलिटी रहता है कि रेगुलेट द बॉडी वॉल्यूम. सैलिनिटी वेरिएशन में अफेक्ट द डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ एनिमल्स, लिमिटिंग द डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ दोज अनेबल टू अडेप्टेड सैलिनिटी वेरिएशंस. In most cases, the limitation result of the salinity variation in the distribution in experience early stage. सैलिनिटी मतलब बहुत ही कम ही स्टेज पे बहुत एक्सपीरियंस हो जाता है ऑफ लाइफ हिस्ट्री, stages of their life history. The blue of crab and calinect spiders and the fiddles crab and living under the estuarine conditions return to the span, and since their egg are the unable to tolerate low salinity. ये salinity and emigration. Salinity variation is the major problem of the confronting the evolutionary in migration of the from the sea into the estuarine and the eventually into the fresh water among the invertebrate. The siphonophores and radiolarians and crawlers are the entirely restricted to the sea. Salinity and reproduction. Salinity is known to affect reproduction but less obviously than temperature. The salinity range for the reproduction is the narrower than for other functions. Low salinity is known to reduce the reproductive potential of the many forms such as the Asteris rubens in the Baltic. So thank you.